What's going on, guys? It's your boy Adobo. Today we're going to talk about the truth about motorcycle vinyl wrapping. Check it out. So a couple things you should understand before starting to wrap your bike. Motorcycle bike wrap is very difficult. It's really difficult to get extremely perfect. It's not like a car where there's a lot of like wide surfaces and it's really flat. A lot of bikes, they have really technical pieces. This one, for example, some vinyl is just not gonna work out. I used a flat vinyl material. You know, it's just really difficult to work with in a lot of curved surfaces. Plus this bike gets a lot of heat, so almost immediately it started lifting on me. But yeah, so like some material is easier to work with than others. I took on this challenge. I knew this vinyl wrap was gonna be sort of difficult to work with, especially on a bike, but I really wanted to challenge myself. I actually spent a lot of hours trying to vinyl wrap this bike, a few days, and for the videos and for what I actually did with it, I definitely feel like I did challenge myself. I'm a better vinyl wrapper because of what I did with this bike and with this vinyl. I could have easily done one color in a gloss material that's super flexible, but I took on this challenge and I used all flat or matte colors. And yeah, I mean, it turned out okay. I've mentioned in my previous videos that it has to be something you can live with. The imperfections, it's fine, because the purpose of vinyl wrap in the first place is to protect the original paint. And you know, and if you screw up or there's some lifting in places, you could try to fix it or redo it, leave it alone and just ride, man. Just enjoy the ride, really. I still think, you know, especially in this, it was super noticeable up close. You know, just from far away, you can't really notice. And to be honest, it's just vinyl wrap. No big deal. I can rewrap it, fix it, or let it be. So I get a lot of questions about, does the overlay or like a cut show up? So for example, right here, like, is it noticeable? Yes, it's absolutely noticeable. And again, like I said, it's just, you have to do things with a purpose. So this line was purposeful, right? And then so were these, and it's obviously noticeable. But when you come across like two of the same colors that you are trying to overlay, again, it's still going to be noticeable, but it's not as noticeable. I don't know if I have an example on this bike of two colors, but let's see. No, I don't. But you guys see that? That's what it's going to look like overlaying. And again, it's, you know, it's not that bad. Like some of these things, like right here in the corners, very noticeable, especially up close. But I could live with it. I just don't mind. I knew that this vinyl, again, was difficult to work with, and I just went for it, man. I just went for it. And I think, me personally, I love the results. I don't think it's gonna stop me from trying this again. I feel like this bike, with a little bit more time and a little bit more patience, you could definitely get it a lot better than I did. But it's just, you know, what is your time worth to you? That is a huge thing for me. Yeah, see how crappy this side came out? This is the left side under fairing, and yeah, as you can see, that pretty much happened the first time I rode it, which sucks, but again, it's not too bad. Easily fixable. I just left it, really. It's just the heat. This is the left side. Just wanted to show you guys that it actually didn't come out too bad. There's a little bubble here that I could just heat and press, but this one came out actually really good. And again, the reason being is it's mostly flat. It's a wider area, and like I said, it's a little bit easier. There's not a lot of concaves or convex areas. So, you know, again, here, another area of concern, but I could fix that easily. I could either just heat it up and press it in, or just add a little bit of yellow right on top like an overlay. But yeah, overall pretty clean. Again, I just left it alone, didn't really do any fixing, because for the purposes of the video, I wanted to ride it right after I wrapped it, you know, show you guys how well it's held up. And it's been a few months, a few hundred miles, and yeah, it's held up extremely well, considering how difficult the vinyl was to work with and how difficult this bike was to wrap in the first place. So, you know, I picked a really difficult bike and really difficult material, and it turned out, you know, pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna answer one more question that I get a lot is, how many feet of vinyl do I need? Look, take a measuring tape, measure the bike, measure the parts, okay? And then buy 2 or 3 times that amount. Heck, buy as much as you're gonna need if you think you're gonna mess up a lot. Like for me, 10 by 20 is 10 by 20? 5 by 20, excuse me. 5 by 20 is enough for me. And now if I was a beginner, I'd be like 5 by 25 or 5 by 30 even. It also depends on what kind of color combination you're trying to do. If you're trying to do 2 or 3 colors like I did, you know, measure it by that. Like try to figure out your design and then go off of that. So I think I got a 5 by 5 in black for this, and then a 5 by 5 in the gray, that silver metallic gray thing, and then I got a 10 by 5, so total 20 by 5, right? So 10 by 5 in yellow, and that was enough for me because I knew I wasn't gonna screw up the black or the silver as much, and I knew I wanted more of a yellow scheme, and then the other colors, the other 2 colors were just accents. So yeah, I mean, order as much as possible. I would say take some measuring tape and then just really think about, you know, how much you're gonna need. But for me, I recommend 5 by 20, 5 by 25, or 5 by 30 if you're doing one color. Yeah, but that's it for this video. If you guys stay tuned, I'm gonna, oof, my shoulder's still screwed up. I'm sorry, I wanted to do a riding video, but I screwed up my shoulder rollerblading actually, and it's been a couple weeks and it's still very difficult to lift. It's my rotator cuff. I'm good, but I will be back. Enjoy this vlog. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I love you guys. Peace. First time snowboarding. He did pretty good. He got up right away. Yeah. The biggest thing is getting up, dude.
That's stopping. We need the YouTube vids.
We're here, John.
I think we should go down there and strap on.
I'm gonna let Julian strap on here. Give me my board. I'll ride here. Yeah. Hands in the front. Hands in your front. Shots. Hands in the front. Hands in your front. Hands in the front. There you go. Have water on my back.
I got some, bro. Fuck, my throat is so dry.
I got
I felt like fucking 25 times.
See the mountain right there? Yeah. Good. That was a good run. There you go. Keep going. Yeah. Relax. Nice and relaxed. Slow down. Relax. Relax. Relax your body. Use your upper body to turn. 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 Don't let your body fall forward. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Yep. Part of it. Relax. Dig it in. Dig it in. So, turn to slow down. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Yes. Okay, when your friends are taking forever, you just gotta leave them and meet them at the bottom. It's been about an hour. We're still on our first run. Why do you keep falling? Yeah, boy. Oh. I just cut through here. It's Marlon in the vlog.
What's up?
We gotta go find Jazz because I ditched his ass. You can see a little bit.
I know. It's pretty cool.
It's so bright out here, guys. Right here. Wow, you made it!
What's up?
Where'd you come from?
Right there.
You took this lift? Yeah, man!
What's up, Marlon?
Oh yeah, dude. Sorry I left. The sun came out. I was gonna catch you right now. I was like, we gotta go find Jazz.
Shoes off.
Good job, man. You did good. Proud of you. Took forever. It took about an hour, but that's a really long run. Even like where you rode this,
Yeah.
For you there would have been another 30 minutes to 45 minutes down.
No, bro, that's like, I'd rather go fast and then fall rather than keep on falling.
Let's go. Gotta find Julian. Let's go, Josh. Yay! Where's Julian? There he is. Alright, let's go. Let's kill it, man.
There you go, Marlon.
Woo! Yeah. Hey. Good job, Julian. Yeah, man. Good job, Julian! Look at Julian, man. Killer. What a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Did you see that jump?
Yeah, good job. All right, we gotta find Julian. Told him to wait for me. All right, hit it, man. Hit it. Yeah, boy. Woo! Good job, buddy. Get him, killer. Let's hit it. Woo! Hey, shit! Yeah, I'm good. I flew so hard.
Right here.
I know, I got that on video too. I saved the camera! Woo! Yeah, buddy. It's so cold. Look at this view, guys. Look at this. It's beautiful. Get in here, Jazz.
It's beautiful, bro.
Look at Julian over there. Julian, what are you doing over there? Look at this, guys.
I wish the fog was not
Man,
there, otherwise it would look amazing.
Oh, yeah.
Especially the Mount Rainier here. It's hidden in the fog. It looks beautiful.
Woo, buddy! Kid is a freaking savage, guy. Look at him. I can't keep up with him anymore. He's only 10. He's only 10. This kid's a sav, bro. This beautiful view, guys. Look how amazing this is. You guys, if you guys are snowboarders, skiers, you guys know this feeling. It's gorgeous. This is why I come out here in the wintertime. Been doing it for so long. I'm so happy my kids get to do it. Well, my son, my daughter's still a baby.